Hello, Ms. Smith. My name is Ronnie Trawick. I'm actually Brittany's brother, and I am the sole owner and operator of Vapor Trail Marketing. Um, I like to make these little screencasts for potential clients to show them um, what I do and how I do it. And I usually like to start off on their website, but since you don't have one, I just went ahead and pulled up your Facebook page. Um, with that, I want to click over here to Google and show you how some of this stuff works. So I typed in fencing company, Warner Robins, Georgia, which is something that someone might type in if they're looking for a fence. And the first thing that you see that comes up here is the Google business profiles. I checked on yours and you're in the 10th position. So there's definitely some optimization opportunity there. And a fun fact about this is these companies get 30 to 40% of their online traffic by being in this top three. And how you get here is by having 5-star reviews. You also want to make sure that your name, address, and phone number are the same throughout the entire internet. Otherwise, Google will get suspicious and kind of flag you as maybe not a legitimate business. And something else that can really help is posting branded and geotagged photos to your Google business profile. It kind of shows Google that you are trying to actively grow your business in an organic manner. And then the last thing that can really help you get up here are something called citations, which is your info, again, your name, address, and phone number in different online directories because Google acts like a popularity contest. And by getting your info out there, Google will trust you more and boost your business online. With that, we're going to go ahead and scroll on down here to the organic search results. And you can see here the first one that comes up is the Warner Robins Fence Company. And let's check their website and see why they are doing so well. So they have a really good name. Uh, the brand name has the city's name in it, which helps them. But scrolling through here, they don't really have a lot of content, which for Google, content is king. On your homepage, you want around 1,500 words with keywords sprinkled in there. And remember, keywords are the things that people are typing into Google to find your business or your services. Um, Now we're going to come over here to a tool that I use to analyze websites. This is their website, warnerrobinsfencecompany.com. And the main things we want to check out here are this UR, which is the trust Google has in your website. The higher this is, the better. The easier it is to rank to the first page of Google. This one is pretty good, 14, but that's not unbeatable. That's easily beatable. The next thing is this DR here, which is the power of your website. And this is a direct reflection of the strength of your backlink profile. And these here are the backlinks. What backlinks are other websites that link to yours. Um, Again, Google is a popularity contest, and the more websites that link to you, the better. But it is also important to note that not all backlinks are created equal. You really want to make sure that um, they are uh, location and industry adjacent to what you have. So basically, an ice cream shop website would not provide you as much power as, say, I don't know, a general contractor or um, a construction company's website might. And then you can see here they're running 386 keywords, which is pretty dense for a website with such low content. I'm not sure entirely how they're getting away with this, but it's drawing them 72 potential customers per month, which is very good. Um, I also tried Googling fencing company in Middle Georgia. Again, here there's the map pack, and first one is a Facebook page, which again is beatable. And then the first organic search result is this affordable fencing company. Let's check out their website and see why they're at the top. Again, this is not really optimized, very beatable. And something else that I really like to do is I save pictures on the website with keywords in them. This website really missed out on some SEO opportunity by not doing that. Um, and we'll click over to the tool and look at what they've got going on. All right, so their UR, which is the trust Google has on their website, is a little lower than the other. Theirs is 12, again, beatable, but the strength or the power of their website is zero point 0.1, which is super doable. They're running only 33 backlinks and from 14 different domains, and they're running 67 keywords, which again, I usually like to have the content to support those keywords, whereas they don't really have it on here. With that, that would be the end of this little presentation video. Um, I would love to set up a time to talk to you and figure out what your goals are and what we can do to reach them. Thanks for your time in watching this, and have a great day.